Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cube Tech English channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about that how you should create a video for YouTube, or I should say that what should be the script or the pattern of your video. What are the elements that you need to be added in your video in order to get high views and high subscribers. So let's get started. First of all, let me clear that this video is not for a particular niche. It is for everyone and anybody can use it in their videos while creating their content, right? So first of all, let's talk about it that your video should be in 7 parts, or I should say should be these 7 elements that must be in your video in order to get high reach, right? First of all, there is hook, or we can say the starting. This is the part from where you start your video, and we'll call it hook because hook is basically a thing that you throw to entice someone, right? So here you will entice your public, you will entice your audience to get a view, right? As I have told already that a view counts on Instagram when anybody stays on your platform or stays on your video for 30 seconds. If somebody watches your video for the 30 seconds, it would be counted as view, right? So you have to gain that view by your hook or the starting, right? We'll talk about it that what should be in your hook and all. Then there must be some logo. Okay, logo is basically a kind of brand appearance, or I should say there's a small clip, probably 5 to 10 seconds, and there would be your channel's name and some music with it. So I'll show you WS Cube Tech's logo for its videos. So this is our video and this is the introduction, and just after the loop we have our logo here with the music, right? And this is the logo of this particular course, right? So this is what I was talking about, that after hook or starting you should have this logo which will look really attractive. After logo you have to introduce your topic to your audience. After that your content will be there, that what you are explaining in that video or what type of content you are giving to your audience. After that there would be summary or conclusion of your video, then there would be recap of any future video, and at the last there would be closer. Now let's talk about each and everything in detail. Okay, so this is, you can take screenshot of this or you can just memorize it, right? So you should create your video like this. This is a complete video. This is our hook, then our logo, then introduction, then content, then summary, pre-cap, then the closer. Okay, so let's talk about each and everything in detail. First of all, there is the hook or starting. Your hook should be at least 20 to 30 seconds, right? In your hook, you can just start with a question or statement. You can just create the curiosity in your audience mind that what you are going to teach in this particular video or what you are going to deliver in this particular video. You can just, I have also put an example here that do you know how does a search engine work? Which can just put this question and let your audience wonder that I don't know that how a search engine works. So I should know. That's why I have to watch this video completely. Okay. You can add some graphics out there. After that, you can just give some self introduction, and basically you should explain your audience that why people should watch this video, right? That's our point. And most importantly, you should be energetic because this is the hook thing, because this is the starting thing. So the starting thing should be really enthusiastic so that people will watch your video till the end. Because what is our aim? As I've told in the algorithm video, that our aim is not just to get a view but also to get the watch time. Okay, after look or hope there would be logo, and after logo there would be the introduction. Here you will introduce your topic to your audience. Very first you have to start introducing yourself. You can give self introduction or about your channel, and you can just welcome your audience that I welcome you. After that you should give a recap of any previous video that you have on your channel, like any referral video that you want to address to your audience. Like if you haven't watched that video, do watch that video. And you can give a call of action that you haven't subscribed our channel, do subscribe. You can just give some kind of call of actions in the introduction part. After that there would be the content. For the content delivery, if you are telling them some graphs or some data or some facts or some theory, then you have to use the PPT or MS Word for that, right? I have used the MS PowerPoint, or I should say that I am using the PPT for this theory. After that you should use less words for the theory. It should be in points. After that, you can also give some reference of any video. For example, I just told you about algorithm video, right? So I could say that the algorithm video, if you haven't watched that video, the link would be in the description and you can watch that video from here, right? So you can also give some reference to your audience. Okay, just 2-3 things that you keep in mind: that do not beat around the bushes. It means that do not give extra information which is not required, or I should say do not divert from your topic. What you have promised, what you have written as the title, do not divert from that. Just give your audience relevant information. Okay, so this would be your content. After content, you have to summarize your topic. You have to conclude your topic in 20 to 30 seconds, right? So you can just conclude your topic, whatever you said in this video, that in this video we have talked about this. And after summary, you have to give the pre-cap, right? Pre-cap is basically, if any video is going to come in the future, then you can give recap of that video. You can tell people that next video is going to come, and in that video I'll talk about this and this. And you can also ask people to subscribe your channel so that they don't miss this video, right? So as you have seen in this script, we have given the call of action. We have asked people to subscribe and like 2 to 3 times, right? And that is really necessary. You have to be humble and you have to ask people to like your channel, to share your channel, to subscribe your channel, right? And at the last, you have to close your video. The closure should be fine and crisp, but I should say that only 3 to 4% people watches your video till the end. So you must give a hint in the starting of your video that closure is going to be interesting. You are going to tell something important in the closure, right? You can also ask viewers to comment their suggestion or their question. And other than that, you can tell them about your channel, that what kind of content you post here, and do not let them leave, because the goal is, if anybody come across your one video, do not let them go. Just give them kind of call of action that they subscribe your channel and they watch your previous or future videos, right? And also you can tell them about your social media handles like Instagram, Facebook. And basically, if one person comes to our channel or comes to our video, we have to connect with them. We have to make them watch our another videos and our another channel, or we have to connect them over the social media as well, right? So this is my opinion, right? You can go with any script. Just keep in mind to add these elements, at least these 4 elements you have to add, like hook part, logo part, introduction part, and the content part, right? And you have to also give some 2 to 3 calls of action to subscribe your channel, to like your channel, to comment over your video, right? Because this is really necessary, because we'll be YouTubers when the viewers will support them, right? So you have to be humble, you have to ask for their favors, and just create some amazing content that people will come again and again to watch your content. Okay, so I hope this video was useful for you. If you have learned anything from this video, like this video and do subscribe to our channel, because this is really important for us. And you can just comment down your views over this video, and if you have any question or query, you can also comment. Thank you so much.